Appreciate everyone who got up into the break so far. Guys, Prism Draft is sitting up there. Oh, come on. My camera is out of focus. 1 second. There we go. Okay. Weird colors. All right, so the roster. You can see it now. Matty G with the Steelers. Munster with the Jets. D. Howe. Encased. Encased, I feel like you kind of scooped up that 49er spot. I'm not going to lie. What's up with Brock Purdy? What's the news on Brock Purdy? We not liking him anymore? There we go. Moving it down. So guys, this is the only break we have sold out right now. So after this, it's Prism Draft. I want to get that moved so that we can rip it tonight. And I know for those of you guys who got in it, I know you want to rip it tonight as well. I think there's going to be good stuff in there. But we got a fresh case for Encased. And yeah. Let's get this thing cracked open. There we go. What's good, Pats fan? All right, wait, hold on a second. Which side do we pick out of? I'm not going top half, bottom half. I'm going left or right. I don't care if it's Pats fan or whoever. I mean, left or right? That is the greatest question. Somebody throw it in the chat. That's how you open up a freshie. Ooh. All right, so we got 4 boxes in here. 2 autos and 2 mems. And I'll tell you what, some of the mems that are coming out of this stuff is actually ridiculous. I don't know if you've seen it. And then, okay, yeah. Find a one-touch autograph. That's the new Encased. Makes sense. Decoys is left. Okay, good deal. So that means we'll do the right side tomorrow. Brand new Encased. All right, knife, matching the color of the box. Give me some. All right, hold on. Ooh. Okay, so it's a little silver pack and then gold pack. Nothing else in there. Yep. All right, anything else? One touch. Cool. Wait, hold on. Memorabilia, sapphire, gold, pearl, emerald, and diamond. Am I crazy, or are they putting stuff in here, or is that just the names of the? Is that just the names of the parallels now? Guys, Prism Draft has 15 spots left. Okay. The new. All right, so we got Christian Kirk on top. Be Jaguars, big dog. And see what this stuff looks like. Oh, okay. So they made it colorful. I like that. Skylar Thompson. You know what I like about Skylar Thompson? He doesn't have any concussions. I'm just throwing that out there. But this is the pink Skylar Thompson. And I like it because it kind of matches. It's like almost a Miami Vice type look. This one's going to Coach Huck. D-Howe, you missed nothing. You missed absolutely nothing. Then we got the Zamir White. This is the look that we're a little bit more familiar with. Just the plain white. But this design's kind of clean. I'm not going to lie. They don't usually put any sort of background in the back. It's subtle, but it's there, and it looks good. And then to 10, Velus Jones. I mean, you never know. You never know. It's the gold. Take the Velus. Going over to the Bears. Decoy. I mean, Velus is still smiling when he signs these cards. I'll tell you that much. Strong auto. Like, quite strong. He even puts the junior in there. All right. Okay, so it's got its own encased label. This is like Panini 1 almost. This feels like Panini 1. Whose face is that? Hold on a second. Christian Watson. All right. In the Panini mag. Look at that. At the bottom, it's an official Panini mag. I'll take that, Christian Watson. Green Bay. Let's see. Green Bay's Cool Breeze. I like it. Box numero dos. While I have you guys here, listen, Prism Draft Picks. It's got 15 spots left. I don't know if you guys got my message up in there or if you were here when I first popped on. Prism Draft has color blasts, black and white color blasts. It's got stained glass and manga. And on top of that, an 8-box break has 32 autos in it. I'm just putting it out there. Let's fill that sucker up. Don't let it sit till tomorrow. All right, Miami, getting a little more love. A little Tyreek Hill. Oh, how about this guy? Hey now. How about the future wave of Brock Purdy? Making it colorful. This is exact San Fran color match. And you can't tell me it's not. Hey, Andis, scooping the 49ers at the 4th spot is solid. This Brock Purdy's gorgeous. I like that. I like it a lot. And then on the pink, it's 15 out of 15 Chris Olave. Some strong patches up in there as well. And the Saints going to Matty G. Throw it in the PC. We got a redemption. We'll use the gold pack. How's that? All right, 2022 Panini Encased. Rookie endorsements, Sapphire. Chris Olave. Matty G. How about back-to-back? Nice old patch followed by what's going to be pretty nice auto. This seems kind of thick. I don't know. This mag case feels a little bit thick. Can you see how thick it is? Does anyone else see how thick that is? What is that? Jaguars? What? Hey, check this out. Legendary swatch of Dan Marino. 20 out of 20. That is beautiful. Come on now. Hey, Coach Huck. Yeah, we going back to back. Dude, that is solid. Didn't that... I swear, this box started with a... Yeah, it started with a dolphin, ended with a dolphin. That's pretty sick. Not gonna lie. It's Diaper Dan. I mean, at this point, it probably is Diaper Dan. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even realize that they've got the Kenny Pickett foil on here. I know he's on the front. All right, so on top here, Derrick Henry. Does it end with a Malik? Does it end with a Malik? That's a good question. TIE Fighter. Back over to Green Bay, it's gonna be Romeo Doubs. That's that triple patch. Take the rookie. Cool Breeze. And some more love for San Fran. How about the colors on this? Hey, we got Scotty up in here. What's going on, dude? Just getting some... listen, Brock Purdy stuff is in here. I'm just throwing that out there. Then we got the Alec Pierce. This is giving me, like, contenders. I mean, almost looks like a variation of contenders that should be a thing. That's pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Straw. I like it. I like that stuff. Scotty, is it you? Is it you? I can't even find him. Can't even find him. It is Scotty. Oh my God. I swear to God, I didn't even look at the roster. I just immediately was like, Scotty has him. What are the odds? And also, doesn't this look like contenders? Highly confused. This looks like a version of contenders that we should have every single year. Of course it is. Oh, all right. Okay. Last one. All right, so on the top here, we got Aiden Hutchinson. Take this nice rookie for the Lions. Long 703. Is he a what? Is he a what? Okay. Oh, the green. I like it. Oh. I don't know. That's a good question. I actually haven't heard anything about that. Usually no news is good news. Otherwise, I would have seen something ridiculous all over. Social media. This is 5 out of 10 though. Baltimore. Matty G. How about the Drake London now? Falcons getting some love. D-How. About time. Well, hey, at least he's there. At least he's there. You never know. Brock Purdy was third string at some point. Tyquan Thornton. Patriots getting a little something. Decoy. There it is. The little 1-1 or TT. I don't even know at this point. All right. We'll go slow on this one. No way. No way. What? Scotty, I, I I mean this is your night, I guess. Congrats on the Matt Corrals question mark. All right, guys, let's do something better out of Prism Draft. Prism Draft does not have Matt Corral in it. Let's do that instead. Let's do a Color Blast or like a manga or something other than that, and then we will do these 4 boxes tomorrow. Because I swear to God, if it has a Matt Corral in it, then we're gonna have some serious issues. Other half should be significantly better than a Matt Corral. Yeah, seriously, dude. Pats fan, a buyback on the Corrals would be legit. Okay, so if you're up in here, Prism Draft has 10 spots left. Let's do that. Yeah, dude, Scotty literally has every single Corral auto that came out this year. And he has dupes of almost every single one. Don't ask him about all of them. I'm hoarding them all. You see like one of the episodes of the Hoarders, except for it's Scotty's house, and then there's just stacks of Matt Corral autos, not in like top loaders or anything, just like on his kitchen table, like on his bathroom vanity, just like Matt Corral autos everywhere. And then the interview goes something like, I can't get enough of them. I have to have them all. That's exactly how the interview in Hoarders, Scotty B's episode, of course. All right, so yeah, let's do that Prism Draft, guys. If you would get up in there, I'd really appreciate it. I think that would be a fun break. Like I said, there's color blasts, black and white color blasts. There's 32 autos coming out of the break. There's mangas and stained glass, and it should be fun. And I don't want to let it sit up tonight. See Scotty's eBay store for all Matt Corral needs. Yeah. Scotty could probably open up a Matt Corral-centric eBay store. That's probably how bad it is at this point. Seriously. They're in my closet. I mean, Scotty, did you ever think that you would have more Matt Corrals than Larry Roundtrees? I didn't know that was possible. I really didn't know that was possible. All right, I'm going to see if we can move this. Guys, there's 9 spots left in that break. Okay. Cool. All right. And I assume if you're in the chat that you're already in the break. Oh. You got your Acuna spike signed? That's kind of sick. All right, there's 6 spots left now. I'm just waiting. 4 spots left. Let's do this thing. Dude, I remember that, Pats fan. we actually pulled. We pulled one of those flawless spikes as well. Did it come in one of those giant hinged boxes? I can't believe that you had that sign. I'll have to see one of those. I don't remember who it was that we pulled. I think it was out of 2021 Flawless Baseball. There's 2 spots left, so I'll go ahead and rip this thing as soon as it fills up. Oh. Scotty, I'm just saying, imagine if you could like just switch your superpowers from pulling Matt Corral to pulling Brock Purdy. Don't you wish that was a thing? Like you just ended up like your best skill. I mean, I'm not saying your best, but like it's up there. It's up there. Like you're a Matt Corral professional when it comes to ripping boxes at this point. It's crazy. Never seen anything like it. Matt Corral sicko. That's you. 1 spot to go. Let's do it. I'm excited. Dude, I need something that's not Matt Corral encased in front of my face. That's what needs to happen. Yeah. Massive casing. That sounds familiar. It's what like, it's like at least an inch and maybe an inch and a quarter. Huge. I was so confused when it was in the box. I was like, what even is this? Because when I pulled it out of Flawless, I didn't know that those cleat relics were even possible. All right, somebody pick up that last spot. Never leave the last spot. It's good luck. It is good luck. I'm going to go print off that roster as soon as it goes, and then we'll get this thing ripping. If nobody else picks it up, I might just do it. I might just pick it up. No, I can't do that. I can't do that. You guys know I can't be the one to pick it up. There's one more. I hate letting it sit up there like this. I don't know why we don't want it. Watch, we're going to pull like 3 color blasts and like 8 mangas. Not really, don't quote me on that. But I do know we're going to pull approximately 32 autos. Yep. Here we go. Okay. Here it is. I have it. Might even have it faster than you guys can see it. So this will be the easiest way to see it. We got, let's see.